Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Today we are going to make egg spring rolls. Let's see what is needed to make egg spring rolls. First we need bread flour, salt, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, an egg. We also need onions, garlic, carrots, cabbage, coriander leaves, coconut oil, and water. Add salt to the bread flour. Then add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and coconut oil to it. Mix well and slowly. Add water to make a liquid batter without lumps. You can also use the whisk to mix it well. Once the batter is ready, put some of it in a pan and cook it on low flame. If the stove is too hot, sprinkle some water to cool it down. This way, you can make thin sheets for the spring rolls. Now, put some oil in a pan and add garlic, onion, carrot, cabbage, and coriander leaves. Mix the vegetables well and add an egg. Mix the egg with the vegetables. Add salt, soy sauce, and tomato sauce to the mixture. Once the filling is ready, take the spring roll sheets and put some of the filling in the center. Fold the sides of the sheets and roll it to make a spring roll. Fry the spring rolls in a pan or deep fry them. And your egg spring rolls are ready to serve. They are very tasty. Try making egg spring rolls this way too.